What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kels here. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Ignore this back here. This is actually one of my jackets. So I do like custom jacket. Hold on, let me show you. Okay, I do custom jackets. So this is one of them that I hand painted. So that's kind of a little overview of what it looks like. I'm going to take it down so you're not distracted. But yeah, I actually custom make those. I sell them at pop-up shops and markets and things like that on the weekend. Anyways, let's get to the video. So welcome. If you're new here, what are you going to find? You're going to find luxury, travel, fashion, lifestyle, and general, say it with me, joy. Yes, joy. Why? Because joy is life and life is living, and that is what we're trying to do. All right, so anyways, let's get into it. I have a very quick unboxing for you guys. I got something. It came in. I am so excited. It came in one of my last videos. I said I was like trying to find something. I was looking for it. I had a couple people searching. I was calling, and I didn't know if it was gonna happen. And then all of a sudden I got the text like, hey, we have your my essay text me like, oh, we have your thing in. And I'm like, oh yeah, boom, charge it, bring it to me, send it to me, I want it. And if you watch Cassie Thorpe, Cassie with $2 on YouTube, she actually just bought this thing as well. So, and I commented like, oh my God, I got that. I have that too. So we're twinning and I'm excited. Okay, so it came in this box. Number one. I don't know if you can hear my dog, but he's chewing on a bone. It's the only way to keep him quiet. But he had to be in here with me because we're joined at the hip. I'm doing the show and I don't get to see him much these days until it's over. So he follows me around the house. So he's in here chewing on his bone. If that's what you're hearing, I'm sorry. Anyways, it came in this huge box. And now, okay, so don't judge me. This box is now full of trash. This is it. And it had like, do not leave package unless completed. Make sure they sign. Like that's what it says on here. Like sign. And it came with all this paper. This is a big old box, right? What? The address on that? No, not on that side. Last thing I need is my address on the intranets. Okay, what is this? Okay, so it came in that box, and it's from Gucci. You probably know that from the title of this video, but it's from Gucci. So there you go. I'll tell you how much it was. You'll be able to know that it's not like a bag, but yeah, by how much it costs. Well, then again, no, they have bags that cost this much. After tax, $405.19. Tax is a killer, especially because this came from Chicago. Tax is a killer in Chicago. Like they tripping on this. They tripping. They really tripping. Okay, and it's this. So you already know what this is. And I guess I answered my own question because when I was in Seattle and I got those Gucci glasses, I'm like, guys, is this how this is supposed to be? Do they not come in a box on top of like the case in a little like bag? Like, do they not come in a box? Because I have a pair of Dolce & Gabbanas that came in a box, and I think, did the Ray-Bans come in a box? The Versace's came in a box. I don't know, but they also came in like a holder like this. I don't know. Every brand is different, but obviously, it's a pair of sunglasses. But you're gonna flip out when you see these because they're not like anything I have. Probably nothing you've ever seen. So here we go. You can see that it says Gucci in there. I do love the two-tone, by the way. Also, I do my makeup. Do you guys like? I am a makeup artist now. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But I wanted to do a cute little like yellow, orange, pink look. So I did that. There's the little cloth. Little Gucci cloth. I'm obsessed. So yeah, two-tone. Apparently they make fakes of these and they're one tone, but if it's two tone, that's how you know it's real. I was watching some girl's video where she bought some, and I think one pair was fake and one was not. So here's this. This is so nice. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh my God. Are you ready? And 5, 4. Oh wait, they're upside down. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Oh, I'm dropping things. Come on. Can you wait? Try not to get the glare in it. Oh no, you can see the glare. My desk is a mess. Anyways, they're pink and this part's like kind of translucent. And obviously this is pink. It says, oh, you can't see, it says, yep, it says Gucci right there. And it has the GG right there. Hard to see because of the lighting and stuff. That has the GG on the sides. Is that on the inside? Yep, it also has it on the inside. And I tried these on when I was in Chicago at the outlet. But that one had a scratch and I was like, no. So they found these and they were brand new. I'm looking at it now, make sure there's no scratch. Just a little bit of dust and that's fine. All the stones are in there. Let's try them on. It's really hard to tell because of all this crap that's like on my desk. Like, don't look at that. My lights. Ooh. Apparently these are a collab, I think. I don't know if it was a collab or they made it for, but it was for Elton John. And I was like, oh, duh. It's pink and it has the stars and it has the diamantes and it's just very like extra. I am loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. So I'm putting my head at these weird angles because I know you can like see the reflection. So that's not helping. But I'm like, can you get the gist of it? It's like really hard to like do it, but can you get the gist of it? They're just like, they're so extra. They're so extra. I'm gonna style these with a outfit on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram at Kels Broadway, just like my channel at Kels Broadway. And I'm gonna have a reel with these glasses. Close my eyes so you can. Okay, so do you love or do you hate or do you think they're like too much? I love how big they are. I'm like gonna look at myself over here. They're big. They're pink. They're sparkly. Like I'm into it. I'm into the Gucci's, I guess, now, because they're just like, there's so much. They're so extra. And I have this cute little dress that's like kind of, you know, like springish with like pinks and blues and like purple lavender colors in it. And it's like short and cute. I think I showed it in my Akira haul. Tell me, it's not cute. Okay, for real. Do you hate them? But if you hate them, you have to tell me why. You have to tell me why. Like, why? If it's like because they're too big or too sparkly or too like extra, then that's fine because that's who I am. My camera moving? That's who I am. But if it's like the color's ugly, it makes your face look fat. Well, don't say that because I'll be sad. Don't say that. But, and if you love them, tell me why. Is it because they're big and they're sparkly and they're extra? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. That's it. I said I was going to do a very quick unboxing, so I did it. It's quick. Let me know what you think and stay tuned because there's more to come. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, hit like. It's very simple. It's right down there. All you got to do is go boop. It's free. Subscribe for more fashion, luxury, travel, which hopefully I'll be doing soon. I'm trying to get my travel plans together. I feel like I was like traveling so much. And now, of course, I'm not at this moment, but gonna get it gearing up. So don't you worry, it's coming. Yeah, if you like all that stuff, definitely subscribe, share with a friend, be like, hey girl, I saw her wear these glasses. It's cute. Let's get a pair. All that jazz. Follow me on Instagram at Kels Broadway and let's connect. Bless you. So loud. All right. Okay. I am done being fabulous for now. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Are you okay? All right. Bye, guys.